How many videos does it take to teach pronunciation? What use are these concepts in actual pronunciation situations? Today, we're going to put the concepts into practice. Have you ever wondered how an English teacher pronounces English words? Stay tuned to find out. I know it can be tiresome and difficult to apply the concepts from a series of videos into actual practice. Today, I'm going to use the concepts that we've learned to show you how to actually pronounce words. But before I do, let's do a basic overview of the things that we've learned so far. Number one, letters. English has two basic kinds of letters, vowels and consonants. Vowels are the main sounds in a word and the parts in which we open our mouths. Vowels have two basic sounds, short and long. Their placement in a word and pairing with other vowels determines which sound they produce. Consonants are the beginning and ending of sounds and are formed by closing some part of our mouths. Consonants do not exist without the presence of vowels. 2. Syllables. A syllable is a single sound unit, usually made up of vowels and consonants, but cannot be without a vowel. Consonants make up the beginning and endings of syllables, and a vowel's sound is determined by its location in front of, in between, or behind consonants when they are present. 3. Words. Each word contains one or more syllables, depending on how many sound units it has. Each syllable is pronounced individually, but is stressed or not depending on the word's construction. The vowels in stressed syllables are more clearly pronounced than those in unstressed syllables. With me so far? Here's one more new concept to help you pronounce words correctly. We just stated that in unstressed syllables, vowels are not pronounced as clearly as in stressed syllables. In these unstressed syllables, a common pronunciation of these vowels is the schwa sound. Ah. You can find the symbol looking like an upside-down E. You can find the schwa sound in words like syllable and installation. Without further ado, the part that you've all been waiting for, practical application. How does an English teacher pronounce English words? In the following examples, I will use the website randomwordgenerator.com to produce a random English word and then explain how to pronounce it on the spot. There's a chance I could get some of these wrong. Okay, so I've opened up Random Word Generator website on my phone, and we're going to check out the first word. Let's generate our random word. The word is T-O-N-E. This word is a single syllable word, and we have an O and an E that become a vowel pair. So the O gains a long O sound and the E becomes silent. So this word is pronounced tone. Okay, let's look at our second word. This word is P-R-O-F-I-T. This word is two syllables, and the first one, P-R-O, with the O at the end of the syllable, becomes a long O sound. The second syllable has an I between the consonants, so it is a short sound. So what we get here with stress on the first syllable, profit, or we usually say profit. Okay, word number 3. Let's go to the generator. Okay. This is S-T-A-N-D, and it's a one-syllable word with a vowel in between the consonants. And also here we have S and T that becomes a consonant blend. So it goes together. So we have the word stand. All right, let's look at our fourth word. In the word generator, okay, this word is S-T-R-O-L-L. Now this is a little bit strange. This word, the O has a long O sound. STR forms a consonant blend. So this word is stroll. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit more difficult word. All right, here we go. Okay, so this word is J-U-S-T-I-C-E. So we have two syllables here, and the first one, the U, is between the J and the S, giving it a short sound, and the I is actually a pair with I and E, but it still has more of a short sound. And we have the stress on the first syllable, so it's pronounced justice. Did I make any pronunciation mistakes? Because I wasn't trying to. Any of the explanations that you didn't understand very well? Any other pronunciation questions? Please comment. Thanks for watching.